Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, we're going to be doing a single product review. In this series, we take one product, usually available at the drugstore at drugstore prices, and we tear it apart. We look at the pros, we look at the cons, and ultimately we work out whether it's something you need in your skincare routine. Today is the turn of this product, which is the Caffeine Solution by The Ordinary. I hadn't actually planned to film this video right now. I jumped on, I've got my notes all here for some other videos that I was looking to film, and then I looked in the mirror and thought, wow, we've got dark circles, we've got puffiness, we've got a whole lot going on, and I don't want that in any of my videos, so I reached for my caffeine solution. I thought, actually, now might be a really good time to do a review, talk really briefly about this product, talk about some of the pros and the cons, how to use it, and give you a little bit of a before and after. So before we start, because I wanted to have time to work and actually show you the before and after, so you can jump frame from the start of the video and see what my dark circles are doing to the end of the video, where hopefully they'll be much improved and you can see a noticeable difference. So in a bit of an about face, I am going to put this product on before we talk about it. So this product comes in a thick, it is slightly yellowy consistency, and it is quite a thick gel-like serum. I always put it on my hand and then dab it on. I just think it's easier. I hate it when I see people online putting the dropper to their face and you're doing it around the delicate eye area. Don't do that. And also you touch the skin and the bacteria goes in the bottle. It's all a bit grim. So pop it on your hand first and then just dab it under the eye. Now I'm doing this without a mirror, so this may or may not work. Now put it under obviously both eyes. I don't take it right up to the eye because all products, when they warm through with the natural temperature increase of your body, they will migrate upwards anyway, so you don't need to take it right to the eye. Put a reasonable amount on. You should be able to feel it on the skin and take it to the crow's feet at the side. And then just leave it and let it do its magic. You will notice a slight tingling, a little bit, I wouldn't say it's a stinging, it's just more of a tingling as the products get to work. So let's talk about what this product is. Well, it's the standard size bottle for The Ordinary, which means you get 30ml of product, and here in the UK it's £5.99, so it's $9 in the US. That's a really good price point. If you think about, treat it like an eye, I know it's called a serum, but think about it as an eye cream. How much do you spend on eye creams? They're normally in the $15 to $20, $25 price point, so it's really reasonable. And caffeine is the best ingredient, bar none, for tackling dark circles and puffiness and discoloration around the eye. How it works is by constricting the ventricles and the blood flow to that area. By reducing that, you get less pigment in the area sitting within that area. It also speeds up lymphatic drainage. If you think of what caffeine does to our body, it speeds everything up. It does the same with our lymphatic drainage system, which means that all that water which is sitting in the area causing that puffiness and inflammation is dispersed and removed quicker, and so it reduces that puffiness and inflammation that we all see. I use this every single day, and I was going to do a video where I do like a 30-day reveal, but I can't. I've been using it for the past 2 years, so this is like a 2-year reveal. I use this every single morning. So, what are you getting in this product? Well, it's got a 5% concentration of caffeine, and it's also got egcg, which is just an acronym for green tea extract. Both of these ingredients are proven in clinical studies to reduce the appearance of puffiness around the eye and also the discoloration that sits beneath the eye. So you know when you're buying this product, it's not going to be one of those gimmicky, hard to prove products. The ingredients in here are scientifically proven to deliver what they say they will. 5% is a really good concentration of caffeine. You can get lower concentrations, but of course with the lower concentrations you often don't get the same results. Some of the higher concentrations can lead to some irritation, so I find 5% to be absolutely perfect for me and is what I will probably recommend if you were looking for a caffeine serum. Beyond those two ingredients, you do also have urea in here, which is a fantastic moisturizer. So if you feel that the under eye gets a little bit dehydrated, a bit crepey, a little bit, well, just dry skin, it's an area which is quite hard to moisturize. This will also help by adding that moisture into the area. It's also got lactic acid in there, which a lot of people associate as being an exfoliator, which it is, but in the concentrations it's included in this product, it acts more as a light humectant and moisturizer as well. So it's going to make sure when you use this that the skin is depuffed, you have some brightening and the removal of those dark circles, but more importantly, when you're trying to apply makeup on top of it, it's going to hydrate the area. That comes on to, I guess, a common question you get with this product. Can you layer concealer on top of it? Now, I'm not someone that wears concealer day in, day out, but But when I do want to apply a little concealer under the eye, I do find it can be a little bit problematic to apply it on top of this. The reason is, once this is sunk in, it still leaves a little bit of tackiness on the surface, and so you tend to find that concealer will stick to it, which means you get a very uneven distribution. What I usually say is this will work in 5 minutes. So you put this on the skin, leave it for 5 minutes, you very gently, and I mean gentle because it's the under eye area, take a cotton round or something and just with some lukewarm water, just wipe the product away and then allow it to dry and apply your concealer on top of that. Because all the ingredients will have done their work, it's not important that the product actually stays on the skin as a film throughout the day. So you can do that if you want to apply concealer more easily and freely with this while still using this product. If you're not going to be putting concealer on, I would just leave it on the skin. I do find that products layer quite well on top of it, so you won't have any problem putting other serums on top of this. So I've been using this for, as I said, for about 2 years, and I have seen phenomenal results. Hopefully you can see the results on screen as they happen. Within about 5 minutes, I noticed all the puffiness and the inflammation around my eyes is gone, and there's about a 50% reduction in the dark circles that sit beneath the eyes. Dark circles can be really hard to remove, mainly because genetics play a huge part in who gets them and who doesn't, but you've also got diet and lifestyle. If you've had a bit of a heavy evening, maybe you've had too much salt in your diet, you've gone out for a few drinks, you've enjoyed yourself, the next morning you'll notice you have that puffy and darker eyes as a result of what's happened the night before. Pop this on and you are good to go. One of the common questions I get asked about this product is, if you have water retention and puffiness in the face, could you just apply this all over your face? Well, in theory you can, and I have seen some people, Cassandra Bankson is someone that recommended you could do this if you're suffering with that facial water retention. However, I think whilst the products themselves are safe for all skin, so there's no reason you can't, they are tested in terms of their efficacy on the under eye area, and so I can't vouch for how, I haven't done it myself, so how effective they will be on a wider surface area. Let me know if you've done this below, let me know, feed off and we can read the comments and see how it's responded, but I stick to just using it to the eye area. Some people also say, could you use it morning and night? Again, you can, but because this isn't giving a permanent solution to the dark circles, this is a quick fix in the morning. Putting it on before bed, it will have worn off, the effects will have worn off within, the 8 hours if you're lucky enough to get 8 hours sleep that you have over that evening, and you'll have to reapply in the morning anyway. So I don't feel there's any meaningful benefit to applying it in the evening. What I would do instead to supercharge your eye game is to just, in circular motions, when you've got your cleanser on, in circular motions, just go around the eye up to 20 times, and that massage will help to depuff and drain some of that lymph fluid anyway. So when you wake up in the morning, when you put this on, it won't be tackling a huge amount of issues anyway, so it's going to work even better for you. Like I say, the price point is fantastic, the product's amazing, and this is the only eye cream / serum for the eyes that I would actually recommend. That's because it's scientifically proven to do something. I noticed the results on myself and I absolutely love them, and it's not too badly priced. A lot of eye creams end up costing way more than a moisturiser for far less product, and this I think is a really fair price point. And as with everything for The Ordinary, you've got the concentrations on here, it's beautifully formulated and it's fully transparent, so you know exactly what you're using. I'd love to know, guys, what are your thoughts on this product? Have you used it? Are you going to try it? I've left a link in the descriptions. If you do want to try this product out for yourself, you can click that link and it'll take you to where you can purchase it. But I'd love to know what your feedback is on this. Overall, I'm rating this a 10 out of 10. Ding, ding, ding. We have another 10 out of 10 product on our hands. The price, the fact it's cruelty-free and fragrance-free, it's fantastic. The Ordinary are one of my favourite brands, and they've just knocked it out of the park. I included this in my top 5 products from The Ordinary video, and honestly, it is one of their best products and one of the few holy grails I have and continue to have in my skincare routine for the past 2 years. Guys, thank you so much. I want to keep this video short, so I'm going to call it there. If you have any other questions, leave me a comment below and I'll get onto them straight away. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're staying safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.